Welcome, this is IGCSE 0580, paper 43 of May June 2022. Question number 5. The time T minutes of 80 people is being given. The table shows information about these times. Write down the class interval. Where is the median? So 80 divided by 2, so 40th person. So we'll find cumulative frequency 3, 10, 28, 56. So the 40th person will be there between 20 to 35. Calculate the mean. For calculating the mean, I need to calculate the midpoints. So 0 plus 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. 5 plus 10 divided by 2 is 7.5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 35 divided by 2 is 27.5. 35 plus 60 divided by 2 is 47.5. So the mean will be 2.5 times 3 plus 7.5 times 7 plus 15 times 18 plus 27.5 times 28 plus 47.5 times 24 divided by 80. Simplify that. You should be getting that answer as, for this one, the answer should be, when I do by calculator, it should be 28. One of these 80 people is chosen at random. Find the probability that this person took more than 10 minutes. More than 10 minutes is nothing but what? How many people are there? 18, 28 and 24. So 18 plus 28 plus 24 divided by 80, which is 7 upon 8. Two people are chosen at random, first person and second person, taking 20 minutes or less. Find the probability that he took 5 minutes or less, 5 minutes or less, or 5 minutes or more. So 5 minutes or less will be 3 and 5 minutes or more will be 25. So 3 upon 28 and means times. Next time one student is over, so 27 and 25 upon 27. But it can be the other way also. What it can be? The first person can take more than 5 minutes and the second person can be taking less than 5 minutes. So 28 and 27. More than 5 minutes is 25 and less than 5 minutes is 3. So add both. That's going to be the answer, which is 25 upon 126. Using the frequency table on page 8 to complete the cumulative frequency graph. So 3, 10, we have just done it out. 3, 10, 28, 56, 28 and 56. On the grid, draw the cumulative frequency graph shown in this one. So what am I going to do? At 5, it's going to be 3. So the gap is 10 and what it says, gap is 10 and also we have 10 lines. So each line is 1. So the middle line is going to be 5. But over here, you can see that the gap is 10, but there are only 5 lines. So 10 divided by 5, 2. Each one is 2. Now for 10, for 5, it's going to be 3. For 5, it's going to be 3. So this is 2 and this is 4. So the point is going to be in the middle. Then for 10, it's going to be 10. 10 and 10 is going to be the easiest point. Then for 20, it is 28. For 20, it is 28. So this is 22, 24, 26, 28. So this is going to be the point. Erase all other points. Then for 35, it is 56 and 60, it is 80. 35 is 56. 52, 54, 56. And 60, it is 80. 60, it is going to be 80. So I'm going to draw a cumulative frequency graph. It should be in this shape. See that it passes through all the points. Because I'm using the software, it may not pass, but it should pass through all the points and this should be the shape. Find the estimate of the 80th percentile. So he is asking us to draw the 80th percentile. So 80 times 80 upon 100, which is nothing but what? 64. So 64 is a cumulative frequency. 62, draw the line, hit the graph at 64. This is 64, draw the line, hit the graph. Is it hitting the graph there? And drop it down. It's going to be 42, approximately 42 minutes. Find the estimate for the percentage of people who took longer than 45 minutes to travel to the work. So, longer than 45 minutes. So, what am I going to do? From 45, I am going to draw the line. This time hit the graph and bring it to over here. So, it is going to be 68. So 80 minus 68. These many people took more than 45 minutes. 80 minus 68 divided by 80 times 100, because he's asking percentage. So which is nothing but how much? 12 by 80 times 100. Do the calculator. Different people will be getting different answers. So when you do this one, 1200 divided by 80 is going to be 15. That's the answer. Now